Exploring the Dark Ages, Unveiling the Mystery. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we have a fascinating topic to delve into, the phrase, Dark Ages. You might have heard this term in books, movies, or discussions about history. But what does it really mean? And how can we use it in English today? Let's uncover the mysteries of this intriguing phrase together. The term, Dark Ages, originally refers to a period in European history that lasted from the 5th to the 14th century. It began after the fall of the Roman Empire and is characterized by a decline in cultural, economic, and social development. Many historians viewed this time as a period of stagnation, where little progress was made in the fields of science, arts, and literature. Therefore, the term, Dark Ages, implies a lack of advancement or enlightenment. In today's context, the phrase, Dark Ages, has taken on a more figurative meaning. People might use it to describe any period of time that seems backward, ignorant, or lacking in progress. For example, if a company fails to adopt new technologies and stays with outdated practices, one might say that the company is stuck in the Dark Ages. Let's take a look at how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. After the library was renovated and digitalized, everyone agreed it had finally moved out of the Dark Ages. 2. His views on gender roles are so outdated. He's living in the Dark Ages. 3. Before the internet, finding information was slow and tedious. It was like living in the Dark Ages. In these examples, Dark Ages is used to highlight a contrast between old and new, outdated and modern. And that wraps up our exploration of the Dark Ages. From a historical period of stagnation to a modern metaphor for backwardness, this phrase has a rich and varied history. We hope this video has shed some light on its meanings and uses, helping you to use Dark Ages confidently in your own conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.